Alright, here's a dragonfly being taken apart by ants. It's crazy and very fascinating. I feel like I should be doing like a, is it Richard Attenborough? Yes, there we go. Here in nature, animals can be brutal. Here we see the decimation of a carcass by a colony of ants, hoping to gain needed nutrients from the flesh of the dead animal. Literally though, look at them, you can see them tearing apart that section. Right there, it's crazy. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. A little bit darker. Back into the sun. I'm in the sun, I'm roasting to death right now. It's a million degrees out here. Let's switch this to manual focus. Now I can actually see what's in focus. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that crazy?